Okay, so my name is Sherd, and I am a machine builder, mechanical machine builder here at Egan Food Technologies. So Counterpart to me is a lifeline, a daily use system that we keep everything organized, keep it all in one area in our shop and used for finding what jobs we're working on that day. So our job changed quite a bit. We used to do everything on paper. We used to highlight every part that came in per assembly, had to flip through multiple different sheets. We had packets for each job. With the new Counterpart system, we can go in, just click on engineering orders and open up, and it gives us a drop down. Every job is there, all the assemblies are there, all the parts are there, and it lets us know what's checked in, do we have everything in the shop, and if we do, we're allowed to go pull all those parts and then work on them. So what we do here at Egan is we have a tablet, we have Counterpart on the tablet, so we can move that around the shop. It makes our lives a lot, makes our job a lot more efficient, makes it easier for us to get into, through the engineering orders, find the job, find the right assembly, and then bring it over to the table that we're working on with all the parts, and then put the machine together, put the assembly together. So Counterpart for me helps prevent mistakes because it shows me what I'm building, shows me what I'm using. It also prevents from having to go through old papers, check out highlighted parts that I may or may not have missed. It's all in the system, it's already checked in, it's easy to use, and it's all right there on the tablet for us to see. So the efficiency when adding Counterpart has been a lot. It's saving us a ton of time, a ton of energy, a ton of communication between each other. Now that it's on this one system, we don't have to ask as many questions between people. Our information is shared in one spot. Helps us get the job done a lot faster, I feel like, is the biggest thing. And saving on a ton of paper, saving on a ton of questions, saving on a bunch of time. So for me, I trust that the Counterpart is very trustworthy because of all the engineers that go through it, all the managers that look at Counterpart before me. Everything on there ends up working. All the experiences that I've had with Counterpart have always come out to be true. Nothing's been wrong, nothing's been out of the ordinary that throws me for a loop, and yeah.